Hello everyone, we are proud to present our project which is called the Smart Mood Tracker Lie Detector. Let's start now.
The academic performance of students have been declining at an alarming rate. This is because students tend to hide their anxiety, stress, and depression. Most teachers are unaware of the growing anxiety in the students' mind.
The objective of our product is first to develop a real-time emotional monitoring system, secondly to detect stress levels among students, biometric startup, thirdly to assist teachers in identifying students' most supports, and lastly to spread more awareness about emotional health among students. To solve this problem, we developed a smart system using AI and IoT technology. Firstly, we use a pulse sensor to detect their heart rate, an AI camera to capture their facial expression, a microcomputer to processing the data, and we also use AI to analyze the data to detect their stress and possible deception. The result will be displayed on a dashboard for easy monitoring. Next, our project also contains a few of sustainable development goals. Firstly, it contains SDG 3, which are good health and well-being. Next, it contains SDG 4, which are quality education. Lastly, it contains SDG 9, which are industry, innovation, and infrastructure. It helps our students to improve their health and also learning their environment and keep them to be effort in innovation. Welcome to our demonstration site. I'm Anthony, which is the leader of this project. Right now, let me show you some examples here. Firstly, we got our camera, which is the Raspberry Pi Model 3, and we got our Raspberry Pi beside of it, which connect with our MAX30102 pulse sensor. And here, we got our website. Right now, let us talk furthermore.
Hello everyone, welcome to an AI-powered biometric monitoring system designed to analyze emotion, stress level, and possible deception behavior in real time through the integration of artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, and computer vision technologies. Before demonstrating the main function, let us introduce several supporting features of our platform. Firstly, the system provides us multiple login options, including email, Google, GitHub, Facebook, and guest access. Users can also enable two-factor authentication for additional account security. Right now, let me show you how to sign in or sign out in this website, and also how to enable two-factor authentication for additional account security. Right now, look at the top right section of this website, which contains sign in and sign out button. Simply press one of them. Right now, I will press the button of sign out. After pressing, it shows out a panel which contains Google, GitHub, sign out with email, and a guest mode. So the question is, how can I sign out with email plus password? So simply press the button of sign out with email, and it will get a form for you to fill in, which need the full name, email, password, and lastly, don't forget to verify as not a robot. For right now, I will do a quick tie-in by using my Google account. Simply press the button of Google, and it will show up your account and other things. So for this website, it's a private website right now. So I have set a few lists of Google accounts are allowed to sign in. So right now, I will choose the account which is available and I will sign in. After sign in, look at here. Right now, I'm opening the 2FA authentication for my account security. So I will simply go to the Gmail and find the code first. Oh, I saw my code. So I will press it and I will copy the code, which is 196231, and I will go back to the website of our project and I will paste it, and you're required to verify, and after that we'll sign in and the notification will pop up. So right now, let me show you furthermore. So if you want to enable two-factor authentication, just like the demonstration that I showed just now, simply go to your profile picture and press it, go to the setting and find the word of security. Simply press it and you'll see a two-factor authentication 2FA box. There's a button which you can switch on or off to enable or disable it. Right now, my account is enable it, so as shown just now, it will send the OTP to my email and I need to verify the code, only he can let me sign in. We got an integrated email service automatically send verification code, password resetting, and security notification. So as shown in the website, you can see a small of the notification button on the top right side. Simply press it and it will give you a panel of all the notification. So we can see just now I have logged in with my Google account. So it will present and display on this notification bar. And it will also send those messages about the test submission. Like, a student have already finished the test and what is the analysis. Next, we got the function of email me unread. This function allows you to read inside your email. For example, right now I go to my email and I open a email unread notification that he just sent to me. This is the example. So why it will send to me is because I have enabled this auto email unread, which contains 5+ or inactive for 1 hour of notification that I haven't read. So you can enable it for automatic send to your email, or you want to email me unread by manually pressing the button. After it sends to you, it will mark all as read, or you can simply mark as yourself. To enhance user interaction, we implemented an AI chatbot assistant powered by local AI, which have answer questions regarding to the system. For example, at the website of the preview, look at the right bottom of the mini chatbot button. Press it and you open a panel which is AI assistant. So simply type an example for now is hi. So you're thinking and waiting, and it will give you an answer like this. And for example, I can ask, who is the leader? Yeah, that's me. My name is Anzori and I'm the leader of this project which developed this app. And after that, you can simply close it. Or if you don't want to close it, then he will automatically in 50 seconds and he will close it himself for a better monitoring. At the bottom of this website, you can saw we got 3 of the functions, which is privacy policy, terms of service, and cookie setting. So these are the settings that have applied in our system. We got the privacy of this project, so you can watch inside the website. After that, we got also the terms, and lastly the cookie. sometimes teacher cannot know what exactly the student have did. So we have dedicated to added the classes dashboard to monitoring student condition, review emotional trend, and replay recording incident. And we also have the data dashboard and analysis, which you can see about the information for today only. Simply press the button of dashboard and analytics, and he will bring you to the down of the screen, which show you the things that today happened. So for example, for me, today the best performance by form is the Form 3 classes. Today, our MOOD tracker is very good, so he made the line to be straight up. Today, we got 5 classes attended, and we got average performance of 5%. MOOD standard today is 100% positive MOOD, and we got 8 students across 5 forms. Right now, let me show you about the classes access monitoring. So simply press the title of our project, and it will bring you to the top of the screen, and then look at your top left side, which contains a 3-line of button. Press it, and it will show the classes and stuff in this project. For example, right now, today, of most performance classes is Form 3. So I will simply press for Form 3, and I will find the class, and those classes are followed by SMK Dato Penawati Mo classes name. So for example, I open 3 Berlian. Right now, we can saw the weekly MOOD trend dashboard, which shows up today, average focus score is 8. Next, we can scroll to the bottom, and you can see the panel of test. And we also got the live monitoring replay history, and we got class distribution. So for an example right now, we can saw we got a student of state that is critical, but other of them is stable. So inside the class distribution, we can see an issue found of number 1. So it will show critical of 1, but stable of 3. For example, there's 4 students at here. So we can see their replay by pressing the button of real movie replay. And you will see the screen of their face, live pulse, face detector, and pulse detector, and also the face crop. So we got the if mode, it show out the risk level, stress level, and face mode by AI. And we also got the pulse graph, which show when they're doing the test. For example, this student, when he entered the 15th of section, his pulse is 133. For the stress level, he is clear. For the face mode of AI, he is normal, and the risk level is 37.3%. So you can simply close the replay. And next, we got the AI analysis, which help the student to know what exactly of the situation. So for example, we can generate by using local AI. You can choose the level of helping needed. The higher the level, the longer of the screen. So for example, I will choose medium for this time. And this local AI analysis is using the live sensor history from the last 20 reading inside your test. So this is the example. So you can also add the action or advice for student. For example, take a 5-minute break and drink some water. So I will leave it blank right now, and I will start analysis. After the analysis generates successfully, it will show like this. Right now, you can either close the tab or you can send to the student email address. For example, I will use my email address right now. This is my email address, and I will send this analysis to my student. Right now, I'm sending the script of this AI analysis. So the analysis report successfully sent, and I will go to my email. And we can see a new message appear. You can simply press it, and it will show out all the things that showing inside the exactly same inside the website. So right now, I will return to the web page and I will close it. So inside this AI analysis tab, you can press it, and it will show out all the things that AI generated just now. And we also got a feedback place which let us to know is this AI analysis generate successful or not. Lastly, we got the check answer action for each student. So you can simply press the check answer button, and we can see all the answers that the student chose during the test. Next, I would like to show you about our data dashboard, which contains every data in this website. Simply go to the top of the classes and press the back function. Press the data dashboard function on the navigation bar. So right now, I have entered the data dashboard section, which is save the submission and also sensor history. So right now, I can see a lot of people that we have already done. And we got the live sensor history and also live monitoring history. So it is function as just now inside the classes website. You can replay the video, view the answer, and also generating the with AI. So I will press back to home. Next, I would like to bring you guys into the main of major feature later. Hi guys, right now let me tell you about the main function of this project. Firstly, the first major feature is the 42 question emotional assessment test. Students are required to respond to 42 emoji-based questions designed to evaluate their emotional and behavioral condition. A counter timer encourages spontaneous and honest responses. After submission, the system automatically gathers additional biometric information from the Raspberry Pi sensor, including pulse reading, facial expression, and hand movement analysis. These datasets are processed together to generate a comprehensive emotional profile. The final report categorizes stress level, summaries emotional condition, and separately store the result in a centralized database for further analysis. Lastly, those questions of emotional assessment tests are based on DAS 42 of their score calculating and follow their question that given. Right now, let me show you how you can access to the test. So, click the button of Take Test. After that, it will require you to check in and connect it with the live monitor, which is our Raspberry Pi or camera and power sensor. So, I will click it, and right now, you can see the screen of the left is the thing of everything in my Raspberry Pi. So, because of some issue, I cannot put my face into the video. Sorry for that. But I can demonstration about the pulse monitor. So right now, I didn't put my hand onto the pulse sensor, and right now I have already put onto it. And it will calculate my pulse. And we also got a scam detector mode, which will connect with the pulse, and you make a decision. So we will need to fill in the full name, select the classes, the daily focus score, and we can start the assignment. So those questions are very easy, then a student can answer. So simply answer of them until 42 questions. So right now, I will press the button which is select all for easy start. So I will write the name of example. And select class of 1 billion. So right now, I will submit it, and you proceed. So right now you can see my submission is successful, ready, and I got a mark with the situation of excellent. So we can simply click continue, and then we can go to the data dashboard to see the data that have been collected. So you can see it's excellent, and we got the answer. Let me show you some example about the test that we have to do for our student in our school. Lastly, the most innovative features is the live biometric monitor. Using our 35 camera model 3 and MX30102 power center, our system continuously capture facial expression and heart rate data. A custom AI algorithm analyzes change in pulse pattern, facial micro expression, and hand movement to estimate emotional status and behavioral inconsistent. The process information is displayed on the live dashboard, allowing users and educators to observe emotional change in real time. Each monitoring sequence can also be recorded and saved as an MP4 video, making it possible to review and study previous students whenever necessary. And we also got a function of recording voice, which can let teachers to play back with sound. Inside the test just now, we also apply the button of start recording, which can let you recording the test of the student, but it didn't got the sound function. The live biometric monitoring is a very good product to let teacher testing those students who have problem issues like vaping or doing a teeth, pointing, and other. So teacher can simply use the function of live monitor and test the student by asking questions by the teacher. Right now, let me show you how you can access into live monitor. So press the button of live monitoring. It's required of information of the student that are going to do the test. Right now, you simply write down of example. Now choose classes, and we got a section for asking the student how to feel right now. So you can choose either very calm, neutral, stress, and size. So I choose neutral and system. In the system, we got auto time, which is the time for Malaysia. And then we also got the box of student on the top left side, which is the name followed by the class. And we got the facial block by using AI. And we can detect the face mode that is calm, shutter, or other. And we also got the hands, which if you put your hand onto the camera, it will detect and decrease your analysis of movement. And we got the pulse rate, speed mode, pulse rating, and we can remember what's recording or not. And we got the history of our pulse. Right now, let me show you the example. So right now you can see my face is showing normal and calm. If I smile, it will show positive and smile. So here we can see the face crop using AI. If I put my hand onto the camera, it will show hand covering mouth or covering head or face. So I'm using media flip technology for this project. So we also got the pulse sensor, which I put in right now onto my MX30102 pulse, and we calculate by the sensor. We got a pulse wave mode, and we got the graph. And this is the final thing of our project. Let me show you the example of the live monitor that I have made in our school. In conclusion, the smart tracker AI detector combines biometric sensing, artificial intelligence, and a web-based platform to provide an intelligent solution for emotional awareness and stress monitoring. We believe this innovation have a potential to support mental well-being and corresponding intervention and create a healthier learning environment. Thank you for your attention, and we welcome any question that you want to ask later. So back to the video.
In conclusion, smart work tracker integrates IoT and AI technology. This can detect some students are stressed and emotional state early. It's practical and useful for school. Thank you.